So pinag-uusapan natin ang OPPO A78 5G. Probably the first thing na papasok sa inyong mind is ang kanyang camera performance. Dahil ang A78, I heard maganda nga ng camera shots. And one thing na napansin ko dito sa phone na ito is a little bit strikingly similar sa Reno 8T ang kanyang design dito sa likod. Now before we go any further, unbox muna natin right after this quick intro. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. The OPPO A78 5G na may 8GB of RAM na may 128GB of storage pa would come at a price point of $14,999. Check the links on the description box. Tara, unbox muna natin. So what I have here is the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. And ganito itsura niya sa sides and sa other side. And here are some quick specs. Ang color na hawak natin today is the glowing purple variant. So buksan natin. Meron tayong sleeve na kasama. Inside, we have the SIM ejector tool. Meron tayong mga user guide and documentation. And a soft jelly case. Here's the phone itself. 33 watts of superbook charge. 5,000 mAh of battery. 50 MP AI camera na. And dual stereo speakers. So let's just push it out. Tanggalin natin yung sleeve. And this is how it looks like. Medyo kamukha na si OPPO Reno 8T yung design na sa likod, except hindi full leather finish ka na likod. This is a more of a matte finish sa likod. Then makita na two-tone siya dito, no? This one is more of a glossy finish. This one is a matte finish. So sa likod na ka na 50MP na camera setup. So underneath, nandiyan ka na audio jack, microphone in, Type-C port, and of course, ang na loudspeaker. Nandito sa side, ang kanyang fingerprint scanner / power button. Sa kabilang side, nandiyan ang kanyang volume rocker, and of course, kanyang SIM tray. Now, quickly, sundutin natin SIM tray. Meron tayong hybrid dito, no? So, either go for 1 nano SIM plus isang micro SD or dalawang 5G na nano SIM. And sa harap, we have your teardrop notch na front-facing camera. Further inside the box, we have yung Type-C cable. And of course, ang ating 33 watts na superbook charger. So, ayan guys, nakita na natin ang design ng OPPO A78 5G. And medyo kahawig niya ang Reno 8T. But what I like dito is smooth na kanyang likod and matte finish siya. And pansin mo, two-tone siya dito, no? So dito, shiny finish. Dito, matte finish. So it kind of blends it very nice. And I like itong color niya, no? Itong glowing purple na color niya. And one advantage dito is still nandiyan ang kanyang audio jack, which I like. And probably one of the things na hindi ko rin gusto sa kanya is teardrop notch pa siya for 2023. Itong phone is being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 7nm chip siya. And inside this one, it's being powered by Android version 13 and Color OS na 13.0. Now, one advantage dito sa phone na ito is that you can expand your RAM up to 8GB. So, 16GB all in all. So, running some benchmark dito, this is what I got here sa Antutu Benchmark version 10. Near 400,000 points. Kung binake naman natin siya, this is the score na makuha natin. Checking gear info, naka-level 1 naman siya. Checking wildlife, this is the score that I got. At sinilit naman natin Geekbench, this is the score na binigay niya sa kanya. And sa kanang thermal throttling test, well, honestly, okay naman siya, no? All green naman siya from start to end. And ginawa ko naman to cycle for 3 times. And sabi na dito, it's throttled to 91% na kanyang max performance. Now, itong phone na ito has a IPS LCD na 6.56 inches na may 90Hz of screen refresh rate, and ang kanyang maximum brightness is 600 nits. So going under the bright sunlight, I can say okay naman siya. Hindi naman siguro sobrang liwanag, but at the very least, mababasa mo yung mga nakasulat dito sa yung phone. Now, the phone na ito is plastic sides. It has a panda glass up front and also a plastic back finish. Now, watching videos dito sa phone na ito, I would say na okay ang kanang resolution. Probably the only thing na medyo hindi ko gusto sa kanya dito is ang kanang teardrop notch, which is, well, 2023 na guys, it's still teardrop notch. Would have been better kung it's a punch hole. But for me, ang kanang resolution dito is just simply okay. Not the best, but you don't expect na yung mala AMOLED display dito sa kanya. But if you're watching mga Korean novela dito sa kanya, you're watching mga anime dito and basketball game, I would say na it's watchable. And for the whole barkada to enjoy, for me, okay na okay siya kasi malaki ang kanya display dito sa phone na ito. Now, one of the things na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is that you can set your volume up to 200% na ka na maximum volume and quite loud naman siya. But there are some sounds na pag sinagad ko dito sa kanya is medyo sabog. But there are some sounds naman na pag sinagad mo naman dito is okay naman siya. So, it depends siguro sa nire-render yung audio. But overall naman ang ganun sounds dito when you're using the loudspeaker, you're listening to Spotify, pretty much decent. Itong phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh of battery and supporting up to 33 watts na fast charging, super charge. Now, tinry ko naman i-charge to from 10 to 100. Natapos naman tayo in an hour and 15 minutes. Now, using this phone on day-to-day basis, okay naman siya. Kaya naman niya magtagal ng one whole day, giving it all the multitasking na gusto mong bigay sa kanya, kaya naman i-handle. Now, tinry ko naman mag-gaming dito sa phone na ito. I did try to play Call of Duty Mobile. Okay naman ang gameplay. It's quite smooth. Wala naman na feel na frame drops along the way. And I can say na yung kanyang touch response dito is quite nice. Very responsive naman siya. And the screenplay is okay. Kaya naman na mag-render ng really nice graphics dito sa kanya. And tinry ko naman maglaro ng mga Battle Royale dito naman sa kanya. Okay naman siya. Hindi ko na-feel naman naglalag ang game na ito. So right now, let's talk about yung kanyang camera nito sa phone na ito. And this one has dual camera setup. Started with a 50MP na main camera sensor. Together with a 2MP na depth sensor. Ang kanyang maximum dito na kaya shoot is up to 1080p and 30 FPS. And ang kanyang front-facing camera na teardrop notch is a 8MP na front-facing shooter together with a 1080p and 30 FPS na video recording capability. Now, kung nilabas mo itong camera na ito on outdoor shooting, I would say na pretty nice ang mga shots na nakukuha ko dito. And probably the only thing na masasabi ko is medyo may pagka-saturated ang mga colors niya. But pagpansin ko, ang mga sinasaturate niya is more on the mga color green. The other colors are quite okay. The red is just normal. Itong purple niya is just normal. And this is what I see on my naked eye nung kinukuha ko mga shots na ito. But yung mga green is a little bit more greenier than what I expected. And what I like dito sa kanya is na preserve ang kanya mga details dito. And quite good ang mga shooting natin dito sa phone na ito using the OPPO A78 5G na camera on outdoor condition. One thing na gusto ko rin sa kanya is mabilis mag-focus itong camera niya. Now, taking this phone on indoor low light situation, okay naman mga shots niya. But there are some times na pansin ko, no, medyo namumuti kunti, like this one. Normally sa ibang camera, we would see a very nice and punchy na bag dito from Starbucks. But ito, I'm not quite sure kung bakit medyo siya namumuti. Maybe it's just an isolated case, but at least sinabi ko naman sa inyo what to expect. There's times naman na on low light, medyo hirap siya konti, like this one. But there's times naman na kaya na na-enhance konti ang kanyang lighting, just like this one. And this one is pretty much a very nice shot din, focusing on the cap of itong bottle na to. But even though that this one is just an 8MP na front-facing camera, okay yung mga shots niya, no, nakukuha ko from indoor and outdoor situation. I would say, wala namang napansin na pangit na shot using the front-facing camera. Now, silipin lang natin videos that I captured using front and rear camera at 1080p and 30. Yung front camera is quite stable. And what I like dito sa kanya is very lively yung pagka-render sa akin. No? I can see na halos litaw na litaw ako as a subject and quite okay din na while I'm panning. Hindi ko naman nakikita na medyo lumalabo ko due to a little bit more darker na area. Now, on the rear camera naman, I would say na okay din siya. Medyo mapapansin mo, medyo shaky siya konti. And what I like naman dito sa kanya is okay naman mga video na nakukuha niya, mga colors na quite punchy naman, is sharp naman. But there are times naman na some situation na medyo pag nag-a-adjust siya, na mabuti siya. Itong OPPO A78 5G, para kay nino to guys. This one is more geared towards mga people who likes to be trendy, dahil maganda na phone, and who likes really nice and decent camera with a nice battery life dito sa phone na ito. And with, well, it supports up to 30 watts of fast charging. So, definitely, it's charging quite fast naman siya. At a price point of $14,999, I would say quite decent naman price point. Not too high and not too low. Okay lang, katamtaman na naman siya. But if you're looking for a gaming phone, I wouldn't really recommend this one for gaming. But for camera, definitely it's a yes. Now guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan pwede mabili ang OPPO A78 5G, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.